No more cold centers and overcooked edges. The LG NeoChef countertop microwave oven uses the LG Smart Inverter to provide precise, even defrosting. The microwave oven has 4 preset defrost cycles: meat, poultry, fish, and bread. The defrost feature automatically sets the cook time according to the weight of the food being thawed. You can find the product weight for most food items on the outer packaging. Note: if the weight of the food item is not exact or does not appear on the packaging, use a food scale for accuracy. To defrost, choose from the 4 preset defrost cycles using the list located on the control panel and on the label at the top of the microwave oven cavity. Choose the preset defrost cycle that matches the type of food to be defrosted: meat, poultry, fish, or bread. Then enter the weight of the item. Use the defrost table located in the owner's manual for further information and detailed instructions. For example, to defrost a boneless chicken breast, open the door, press clear, place your food item into the center of the microwave oven for best results, and be sure to use a microwave-safe cover when cooking. Press defrost. DEF1 appears in the display. Press defrost repeatedly to toggle between the defrost cycles. In this case, we'll need to press the defrost button until DEF2 appears in the display. Press the plus button until the correct weight for the chicken breast appears in the display. Close the oven door and press start. The countdown appears in the display. The microwave oven will chime once partway through the defrost cycle. At the chime, open the door and turn the food over. Then close the door and press start to complete the defrost cycle. Once the defrost cycle is complete, you may need to let the food stand for several minutes. Check the defrost table in the owner's manual for recommendations.